Hello class, welcome to lesson 11. Can you believe that we have exactly 1 month left? It has gone by so quick for me. So I wanted to talk to you about two main assignments that we have this week. So the first thing that you need to do is read the information in this section called Overcoming Thinking Errors. Okay. This section will talk about several different errors in our thinking. All right. So right here, it lists the different thinking errors that you can choose from that you are going to kind of track. So after you read these thinking errors and some examples of it in the scriptures, then you're going to go back to the course and you're going to, let me see if I can find it right here. You're going to go to the application activity, track and stop thinking errors. So I'm going to pull up this template. So this assignment is going to take you about 2 days. So I highly recommend that you start on this early. So this first page just basically gives you directions on how you're going to start the process. But this next page, it asks you to tell the thinking error, and it's one of the, I think it's like 10 different thinking errors. And then you're going to track per hour how many times you have that thinking hour. Now, when they say 24 hours, obviously we're not going to be tracking it when we're sleeping, okay? So most likely it's like a 10-hour process. And I know most of you work, so I would recommend actually just even maybe taking a piece of paper or printing this out so you can have it with you or keep track of it on your phone. Just something really easy next to you, so where you can track these. So for example, this person had this catastrophize experience 3 times at 6 o'clock, getting ready for work. All right. So I would track this for 1 day. Then the next day, I would recommend filling out these questions. Now I want you to notice the length of this. This person has about 3 sentences. That is the expectation. I want you to answer each of these responses with at least 1 to 2 questions. I have been seeing in the previous responses students using incomplete sentences such as hard work to avoid this. Okay, that's not a complete thought. A complete thought includes a subject. It was hard for me to avoid this thinking error. Okay, so please be mindful. We are now in the last month of our class. We should be writing complete sentences with a capital and a period. All right. If I don't see good content, then I'm not going to be giving you points. So same with all of these. I need to be seeing a sentence for each of these questions. And this is just really good practice for even job interviews. When you have a job interview, a lot of times you're going to be asked 2 questions in the same statement. Why do you want this job and why do you want to work here? Okay, the employer is expecting you to answer both questions, just not one. Okay, so that is this assignment, the application activity, all right? So I'm going to create another video for the next activity.